This is just a quick look at our 2022 specification AQE papers. So AQE have made the announcement that they're returning to the same specification as they were using in 2021. So the papers, your child now has an hour and 10 minutes to do the test instead of 1 hour, so an extra 10 minutes. And I'm going to have a look at the maths first with you, because really that's where the changes are. So they've taken out lots of topics. They've taken out percentages, triangular numbers, they've taken out using a letter and equation. So these have been changed to missing number calculations in our tests. They've taken out use of calculator displays. They've taken out multiplication beyond 3 digits by a 2-digit number and division beyond 3 digits divided by a single-digit number. I'll just have a quick scroll through this. They've also removed calculating the areas of non-right angled triangles. So in our papers we have made sure that all our triangles are right angled triangles. They've removed scale, they've removed timetables, and they've also removed negative numbers from the measures topics. They have removed pie charts, so you won't find any pie charts in our tests, and they will have been replaced by bar graphs like this one or line graphs. They have also taken out quite a few of the 2D shapes, so your child will not have to name and describe a circle, a pentagon, a hexagon or an octagon. They've taken out negative numbers, so you're not going to find any negative numbers in our function machines. Let me see, they've also taken out the mean and the range, averages, and they've taken out probability. And the other one they've taken out is reflection on a diagonal line. So this has actually only occurred once in 2019, I believe, and that will not occur in this year's test either. So moving on to the English, I'll just get to the English section. Really nothing has changed in the English, so you don't need to worry too much about it. Our papers contain a poem. So that's our poetry section in this paper. They contain the usual passages with errors, so looking for errors in punctuation and spelling, and there's always 5 questions. So that's exactly the same as before. And then we have our comprehension fiction. And then there's a final comprehension, which we have a non-fiction. So English is really the same. So you don't really need to worry about that. Nothing has changed. It's really just the maths that has had topics removed. If you have papers, you've bought paper papers or printed papers that you have at home, you don't have access to PDFs, you can adjust some of the questions yourself. For example, if percentages have been taken out, change it to the equivalent fraction, and that'll make it easy for you. If it's a negative number question, just change the numbers in it so that the answer is not going to be a negative number, or that there's no negative numbers in the question. So you can have a look on our website at our stage difficulty practice papers. This paper is a level 3 paper, so it's full specification for 2022 and it's test level. We also have level 1 and level 2, which ease your child in gently into practice with less questions and less timings. Any questions, just drop me a PM or an email at lisburntuition@gmail.com. Thank you.